Hi, this is Carrie Delano, VP of Business Development with Trauma Services. Today we'll be talking about post-exposure procedure. Post-exposure procedure. If you're leaving a scene and you have contaminated personal protective equipment on, the first thing you want to do is make sure you doff it correctly. After you take the equipment off, you can either leave it behind on the scene. If Trauma Services is going to be called in to clean it, we can take it with us when we leave. If we're not going to be called in, make sure you place that contaminated equipment into a red medical waste bag so that it can be disposed of properly. The next step you want to take after leaving a scene is washing your hands with soap and water for 20 to 30 seconds. If you can't get to a sink for a while, the next best step is to use hand sanitizer. The only time you don't want to use alcohol-based hand sanitizer is if you're leaving any type of drug or overdose scene. If you ever had a skin exposure to fentanyl powder, using hand sanitizer actually makes your risk of exposure greater because the alcohol in the hand sanitizer opens up your pores. So the only time you are not using hand sanitizer is if you're leaving a drug or overdose scene. It's soap and water only. If your clothing becomes contaminated with blood or bodily fluid after leaving a scene, the best thing that you can do is throw it out. If you can't throw it out, say it's a department issued uniform, you can't get rid of every uniform you contaminate, the next best step you can take is bringing it to a laundromat or a dry cleaner. Bacteria in blood has to be killed at 160 degrees. Home washes only heat to about 120 to 130 degrees, so there is the potential that you could cross-contaminate the next load of laundry you do directly after the contaminated load. By bringing it to a dry cleaner or a laundromat, they're federally mandated to heat to 160 degrees because they're public. So best thing you can do besides throwing it away, laundromat or dry cleaner. If your only option is to wash it at home, at least run a cycle of bleach or liquid enzyme through your wash machine after you do the contaminated load of laundry to limit post-exposure in the next load of laundry that you do. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, Trauma Services is the preferred partner with law enforcement and first responders from throughout New England. If you have any questions about our services, training program, or PPE program, or any of the information that you saw today, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website at www.traumaservices.com. Have a great day.